The devastated 7.8 magnitude earthquake hits Turkey. The main capital of Turkey, Istanbul, has 1,165 kilometers far from the epicenter of earthquake in Gaziantep. 10 cities were affected including Gaziantep, Kahramanmaraş, Antakya, Osmaniye, Adıyaman, Malatya, Şanlıurfa, Adana, Diyarbakir and Kilis. Gaziantep Castle was among of the building destroyed of the devastating magnitude 7.8 earthquake, an historic landmark that has stood for more than 2,000 years. According to U.S. Geological Survey, said the 7.8 magnitude tremor struck at 4:17 local time, at a depth of 17.9 kilometers, near the city of Gaziantep. The second tremors was triggered by the first had a magnitude of 7.5, and its epicenter was in the Elbistan district of Kahramanmaraş province. Seismologists said that the first tremors was one of the largest ever recorded in Turkey. Survivors said it took 2 minutes for the shaking to stop. Let us pray all together for Turkey.